Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Honda Civic handbrake. This guide will help you ensure your parking brake is working effectively and safely. First, you will need to gather a few essential tools, including a floor jack, jack stands, and a 10mm wrench. Safety is paramount, so always use jack stands to support your vehicle securely before working underneath it. Let's get started with the first step. Now that your Civic is safely supported, the next step is to access the handbrake's adjustment point. You will need to carefully remove the center console trim surrounding the handbrake lever. This usually involves removing a few screws and gently prying up the plastic. Once the trim is off, you will clearly see the handbrake cable and its adjustment nut at the base of the lever. Make sure the handbrake is fully released. With the adjustment nut exposed, you can now begin the actual adjustment. Using your 10mm wrench, slowly tighten the adjustment nut clockwise. As you tighten, periodically pull the handbrake lever up. The ideal adjustment is typically achieved when the handbrake lever engages firmly between 3 and 5 clicks. At this point, the rear wheels should be difficult to turn by hand, indicating proper tension. Do not over-tighten. After adjusting the handbrake, it is crucial to test its effectiveness. With the vehicle still elevated, try to spin the rear wheels to confirm they are locked when the handbrake is engaged. Once satisfied, reassemble the center console trim, making sure all fasteners are securely in place. Finally, carefully lower your Honda Civic from the jack stands and remove them. Perform a final test on a slight incline to ensure proper function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.